Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the 1997 Mori Seiki CL-25B big bore CNC lathe. The machine has a 12-inch Kitagawa chuck right now mounted on the machine. The machine has a big bore. It has a 3.5-inch spindle bore. The machine has an MSC 521 CNC control on it, which is Funuk 18T. The machine has an hydraulic turret. So overall, this machine is in a great condition. So now we're gonna give you the demo. Yes, sir. Currently, the machine is running at 500 RPM. We're doing some tool changes right now. RPMs are 500 right now. We're going to show you different Z and X movements on the machine. The spindles are increasing right now. It's going up to 1500 RPM. It went back to 400 RPM. The spindle is super quiet. The spindle RPMs are increasing now. It's going from 500 to 1500. Back to 400 now. Standard turning program going on. RPMs are back to 1500. Now back to 500. 250 RPM. 500 RPM now. 1000. 1500 RPM. 2000 RPM. This is a beautiful, super quiet machine. The machine has a 12 inches Kitagawa chuck on it. The machine has all manuals. It has LNS chip conveyor. The machine has big bore, 3.5 inches spindle bore. So overall, this machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.